even better. All you guys got to do is follow me, okay? Follow the black guy like the Santa Monica police does, all right? Listen, kids, we got the music ready. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You know what these kids need? They need some motivation. Hey folks, we like that kind of motivation, but we're talking about something different. The same reason why me and my friends are working so hard for your entertainment. Hey yo fellas, give me something for the kids. Come on, man. What you got? Oh, money, money, money. That's right, man. We're gonna hook you kids up. Let's do this, man. Wait, hold on, wait, hold up. What the heck? All right, hey kids, let's make a deal. If you guys do a good job today by following my dance moves, me and my brothers, we're gonna give you guys $20 each. That's a total of $40. Hey crowd, what do you guys think? All right, I see a lot of people not clapping their hands and everybody's looking at me like I'm some strange science project. So let me ask everybody here a question. Hey folks, have y'all ever seen street performers give kids $40? Exactly, so make some damn noise. All right, now listen folks. We have one of the best street shows out here in Santa Monica, okay? At the end of our show, any and all donations will be greatly appreciated. Please think about it. If these kids come out and if they do their best by following my dance moves, we're gonna set the example. We're gonna give these kids $40 only to help keep these kids on a positive path. If you guys like our show today, please try to keep us on a positive path. Because there could have been a lot of worse things in this world we could have been doing besides doing street shows and making y'all feel good. That's right, because we could be in your house. You ain't home. That's right. So everybody give a 20 today, save a TV tomorrow. I'm black, he's Asian, and he takes silverware. Oh, very good on eBay, expensive.
You give your kids, right? So anything they come out here and do, everyone show some love and make some noise.
All right, Polly Pockets right here. Justin Bieber right here. All right, put it out, put it out. All right. Use the mic.
Hey folks, listen up. These are just babies, so anything these kids do, give them some support and energy, all right? I don't care if they fart or pee on themselves. Better go crazy for these kids, all right? All right? Today, they're your babies. All right, kids, first move, follow me, shake their hands. Make some noise, y'all. Here we go.
All right, now listen, the girls are always hurt, so don't move.
Ladies first.
All right, mama, I got you first, Sophia. All right, first move, follow me.
First move, get the hair, get the hair. Everyone, show some love and make some noise, y'all. Now snap, with attitude.
All right, we call this skipping through the hood.
Skip it through the hood.
Let me go first.
Watch him. Skip, 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 twirl, and pose. Alright, what you got? What you got? Skip, 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 twirl, and pose.
All right, I got you, Bieber. You've been to the hood before, so you already know what to do, bro. Here we go, stand right here.
Alright kids, stand right there.
All right, hands up.
Hands up.
Now follow me.
Now follow him. Watch him. Walk it out, real cool. Real smooth. Hot, hot, hot. And zab. Yeah, he's really white, y'all. Alright kids, now first move, get the legs. $40 is on the line. Get the fist. The other fist. There we go. Alright, now everyone, show some love and make some noise for the future, y'all. Yeah, that's right, these are just kids. Y'all better make some noise. Alright, now, give it up for the future. Now punch it! Punch it! Punch it! punch it. Punch it. Whatever that is. Kick it. No, everybody clap. Everybody clap. Everybody clap like this. Now watch it. Now hit it. Now hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Everyone make some noise for the future, y'all. Alright, warm it up. Now run across. Alright kids, now, for the next move, watch Neil, alright? Let him go first, and one at a time, you guys go after him, alright? Now, do a cartwheel. Alright kids, what y'all got? Okay! Alright kid, what you got? Alright everyone, make some noise for the future, y'all. Now, kids, alright, Neil's gonna do one last move, alright? If you do everything that he does, you do a really good job, you can win $20 each, right? Alright, Neil, show him the easy one, alright? Show him the easy one. Now, first thing we need everybody to do, everybody clap like this. Clap, 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 clap. Jumping jacks, hit the jumping jacks. Warm it up. Go into place. Now jump. Go into place. Now jump. Whoa! Hey, yo, Neil, what you doing, man? Hey, yo, we don't got a chance. These are just kids, hey, man. We can't hurt them. And besides, Michael Jackson doesn't even do a backflip. Hey, yo. Help them out, man. Help them out. We don't want these kids to get hurt, all right? Now, everybody clap to the beat. To the beat. All right, help them out, Neil. Everyone, make some noise for the kid, y'all. Now, take him down. Take him down. Alright, now for the game, all you gotta do is this, alright? Jump, jump, twirl, and take it down. Jump, jump, twirl, and take it down. Everyone, make some noise for it. Alright, everybody, show some love and make some noise for the future, y'all. These were just kids and they were brave enough to come out in front of everybody. Everyone, show some love and make some noise.
Hey, listen up. We're going to take the jump. Get your cameras ready.